In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Steam account to your Fivem account in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will enhance your gaming experience by enabling you to access a multitude of community-run servers through Fivem, all linked seamlessly to your Steam credentials. Let's dive in and get started on this easy process. First, you need to visit the official Fivem website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in fivem.net. Once the website loads up, you'll notice a download button prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to start downloading the Fivem client. After you have successfully downloaded the Fivem client, locate the file in your downloads folder and run the installer. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's important to ensure that there is enough space on your hard drive and your antivirus is not blocking the installation. Now that you have Fivem installed on your computer, you need to make sure that Steam is running in the background. Open your Steam client and log into your account if you haven't already done so. It's crucial that Steam remains open while you set up Fivem, as this connection is what enables the two applications to link effectively. With Steam running, it's time to fire up Fivem. You'll want to launch your Grand Theft Auto V game through Steam first, as this ensures that the connection between Fivem and Steam is initiated correctly. Once GTA 5 is up and running, switch over to your Fivem application. Here's where the magic happens. Fivem will automatically detect your Steam account. There's no additional setup required from your end to link these two. Fivem will recognize your credentials through Steam without you having to enter any additional information. This auto detection simplifies the complete process, allowing you to dive straight into the action without the hassle of any manual configurations. And there you have it. Linking your Fivem and Steam accounts is that simple. With everything in place, you're now ready to enjoy a wide spectrum of custom servers and unique gameplay experiences that Fivem offers, all within the comfort of your Steam account. There really aren't any special tricks or steps needed beyond what we've just covered. In conclusion, with just a bit of groundwork, you can have Fivem synchronized with your Steam account, enabling a seamless gaming adventure that opens up new possibilities for interaction and gameplay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy gaming, everyone!